Hello, I'm Danielle Townsend. I'm 20 years old and I just graduated from Moberly Area Community College with my Associate of Arts degree. I now attend the University of Central Missouri and am pursuing my marketing degree. At the age of 18, I became city clerk for the city of Wauconda. The city of Wauconda is a small town of about 200 people. I love my job and all of the people I get to help. I ensure that the city finances are in order so that we can maintain the water and sewer systems, roads, and parks. I've learned so much in my current position. I've gained new skills including public relations, bookkeeping, time management, technology, and numerous office management skills. I'm able to communicate effectively with the city council, coworkers, and general public. I successfully use systems including the Microsoft Suite and Quicken and can quickly learn new systems. These skills will be an asset to me as I pursue a career in the business field. Unfortunately, I must leave my job when I move to attend the University of Central Missouri. In the next 3 to 5 years, I aspire to graduate from UCM with my marketing degree and obtain a marketing job. Throughout college, I hope to complete internships and network with valuable resources. I would greatly appreciate your assistance in directing me to contacts in the marketing field that could help me become a successful marketing director. Thank you for your time.